On Amazon's annual Alexa Hot event, its subsidiary Ring announced a flying home drone camera. And so if you were wondering, where does the video surveillance market goes next? Well, here's your answer. And we are talking about the home security appliance. The flying all over your house Ring Wi-Fi drone camera, and Martin Doug Brown would have been just stunned. You're on the People Systems channel. My name is Daniel. Today we are talking about the Ring flying home security camera, and we begin.
Subscribe to People Systems YouTube channel and get your special offer on every deal.
There is no way to surprise pros in our market, but companies always need to surprise us, customers, because the market is huge and everyone looks the same. They all have the same features. You need to stand out, draw attention to your product. You know how killer feature principle works, right? Exclusivity and uniqueness that no one else has. Ring Always Flying Home Wi-Fi Drone Camera, a pretty nice aesthetic and modern-looking base station that launches a camera into the air by the event. The events are alarm intrusion, scheduled property patrolling, or you have actuated to fly across a specific route, which is preset by you beforehand. Yep, unfortunately, we can only set the pathways in advance, no any manual control. And for the privacy concerns, it rests in the base station all the time, and the camera is physically blocked by the base body. Accordingly, it will only start recording after it leaves the hub. And plus, Ring made it produce a certain hum when flying and recording, so you will always be aware of your Ring Always Cam status. Well, the home security camera segment went through a pile of innovations over the past 10 years. It all started from the wireless, Wi-Fi, and cellular network cameras. And then we saw different bells and whistles like robotic petite cameras. Well, these 360 horizontally and 90 vertically. Then we saw a battery-powered outdoor Wi-Fi cameras came out, and eventually it got to monsters like this one, the active deterrence cameras. This one is IMO Fluid-like cam, and you will find a link to its review in the description. So accordingly to word active, these are the cameras that do something to protect your property. More specifically, it literally hits the burglar's face with 3000 lumens and launches quite a loud siren from here to inform everyone around that something went wrong. And of course, you can join the party as you've got here a two-way audio, like 3-in-1 camera. Home security cameras, well, they are a great solution. They are not expensive. You can get more or less normal camera, like starting from $20–30. Truly, that's a very low price for security and feeling yourself calm. The problem that Ring is chasing to solve sounds like this. I have a few indoor cams from Ring in my home, but sometimes I would leave the house and couldn't remember if I'd left a window open, and I wished I had a camera there. Yep, that's about you and me, because we're humans. I mean, you can definitely just add a few more cameras to your setup and cover all these controversial zones, and that would certainly cost more. I suppose it would have been more profitable for Ring, but no, they came up with a better solution. Why don't you remotely check everything you want to check personally without the need to even walk? Isn't that awesome? I mean, did I shut the window, close the door, switched off the iron? Is the oven turned off? Is there a water leak? How are my children doing? And where's my dog? Maybe you could even walk my dog. There's a plenty of applications. And surprisingly, the price, well, it is not overwhelming. $250 are the same money that they ask for Ring Fluid-like cam like this one, and I hope you agree with me on that. It priced okay, accordingly to the fact that this is something absolutely new for the home surveillance market. But you know what? EasyViz and IMO cameras that we have for you offer the same features, but cheaper and with local storage and on People System, anywhere in the world, regardless of the region. So, Ring's announcement video. Ring, are you serious? Do you think that is how a burglar is going to act?
Huh?
I mean, the guy dared to commit a crime. He's not wearing a mask, has no weapon, and he is easily frightened off with a flying camera that won't stand even a single hit. Well, I think this is what's gonna happen. It isn't the Home Alone Christmas movie. I also enjoy a lot of the users' reactions under the Ring's video announcement. I honestly checked to make sure it wasn't April Fool's for this one. Then we have an approval from the Jesus Christ, whatever that would mean. Ring Flying Camera versus Cat. Who will win? And why does this remind me of a Black Mirror episode? I'm curious to see how it will work in the real-life conditions, against real-life circumstances, after the release next year. Well, if you're lonely and concerned about your household security, the Boston Dynamics Spot Dog Robot vacuum cleaner, the neural network that you can speak with, and the Ring Always Home Flying Drone camera. It's a pity it's only USA and that is compatible with Ring Alarm only. But we have for you a nice office with AJAX and AX Pro alarm systems, EasyViz and IMO cameras you can get on the People Systems store following this link or the one in the description. Hold up, and thank you for watching.